Hello my friends, here is Angela, and here I am with another tutorial with another card. This card is going to be from the Saturate Canary Traveling Colors Girl. This is her. She's so beautiful. She's carrying all those Copic markers on the back, and I decide to do a card. So I'm going to try to make a card of all my stamps that I have with different girls, and I will try to post and do a tutorial, or not a tutorial, at least how I assemble my cards and how I come with my ideas. So here's the stamps, so let's go to the card. Okay, I use authentic paper. And the first thing I did, I wanted to make this a 6x6 card because she's significant big. And I took a 12x12 paper and I just cut it in half, and then I folded at 6 and half, that is 6 inches. So first of all, we're going to start with the inside, and I am going to put this paper in here so we can write. And we're going to use my old ATG that is pretty beat up. This ATG is about 15 years. So we're going to do that. We're going to put this piece of paper in here. Okay. Now, we're gonna first use, this is from Authentique, a 6x6 paper that is gonna go on top of the other of the card. I don't remember the collection of this, but it's from Authentique. Okay, then we're gonna do is I have this second panel that is going to go here, but I have a piece of ribbon that I'm going to use, or lace that I wanted to put in here. So I am going to do this. Let me see which one is the right side. Gonna do that, and then I'm gonna take my tape, little piece of tape, and I am going to just hold that in there. So it stays in place. Okay. Now this panel is going to go on top of this panel. So I'm going to use my ATV. And it's going to make it much easier for me. Oops. I should have done it easier. Okay, there we go. And we're going to put this one in top. There. Okay. Here is the image of the girl with her Copics. I use Copic markers to put her there. What I did is I used foam to make her pop, so we're going to put it next. And when I color her, I use my black Copic markers to do the edges so she pops better. So she pops out better. Let's see where we want to put her. She's going to go over here. A little. Okay. The sentiment is why wait for a rainbow when we can create one, and that is going to go over here. So I am going to use my ATG and this is a small piece and sometimes it's hard. So I am going to try to use the lines so it's straight. Here is my banner. I'm going to use this filigree to put it on top of here, and for that I'm going to use my glue dots. And then I'm going to put this other flower here. There we go. And there's the card. Then in the inside, I wanted it to add something. And I just decided I'm going to use from this Now and Then, this little two sentiments. You are the best. So there is my card for Saturated Canary. I'm gonna put some glossy accent in her eyes to make, oh, I forgot something. I forgot the little butterfly. And for that, I am gonna need some glue. So I'm going to use I want to put this little butterfly here. There. So now it's complete. So here is my card done with the little girl. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's so simple, but I will make a card every other day and I will share it with you when I put it together. So thank you for watching my channel and all your wonderful comments, and happy crafting!